Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about Alfa Romeo 75. More exactly, this radiator pipe. As you may know, this radiator pipe is very hard to find, but I think I have the perfect solution for it. So here you can see the pipes that constitute the lower radiator hose, two pieces of rubber and one piece of metal. This radiator pipe is very hard to find, at least for my experience. I did not been able to identify one, and I think I have a solution. The solution is this pipe. So why did Alfa Romeo have these two pipes, these two assemblies? I think it's because this assembly is for engines with air conditioning, and this assembly for engines without air conditioning. Why do I think that? Because this pipe here has a much steeper curve than this rubber part. Furthermore, this pipe here hits a little bit the compressor bracket, but this pipe really hits the compressor bracket. So my solution is very simple, and I will show you in the next clip. Right here we can see the interference between the radiator hose, the lower radiator hose, and the AC compressor bracket. And I think the reason for it's because they are models without air conditioning, and in those models this hose may be applied because the AC compressor, because without the AC compressor and the AC support, there's no more interference between the hose and the bracket, the support. So this is why I think this hose is for models without air conditioning. Now, I think I can solve this problem because I know there are some people with this problem as well. And I think what I have to do is to trim down this edge right here with a file or something, and try to make sure there is no contact between these two parts, because sooner or later this contact will compromise the hose and will be leaking right there. So let's get started. I hope this ends well. I don't know. I don't know if you can see, but I have a tray under here to catch any residue and antifreeze. Now, I have this edge here that I want to trim. Sorry for the angle. This is aluminium. It will eat away very quickly with this file. I already can see some work. It's not easy. Oh yes, now I can feel the file chewing through it. Sorry, nuts. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be a little bit easier than I thought. So here we can see the job that I made. Looks terrible. And this is the file that I used. It's a wood file, but it made a great job. I did not scrape the belt. it's just a old belt. And the hose clears this space perfectly. It leaves some 2-3 millimeters of space to hose expansion and engine movement. So I think it's perfect. I really liked it. Success. So, as you saw in the previous clip, the solution is a little bit crude, but it works. Obviously, the job could be done in different kinds of ways. I could remove the compressor, I could remove the compressor bracket and machine the surface, and that is not off the table. Someday, if I need to remove the engine for some reason, or the AC compressor, I will machine that part. So here I leave you with the references for the part. Any question you have for references and part numbers, I will give you everything that I have, everything that I know. I do this for the brand, for Alfa Romeo, not for a profit. I just work in my cars. I don't have a shop. I don't have to raise clients for my boss's shop. So everything that I do is just for my passion for the brand. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or any ideas for next videos, please tell me in the comments below. Bye!